Alright guys, so we are coming to the next section of today's training. So we are coming to use our pixellab again and then do some simple work. So let's open our app and see what we can do. So we are coming to put the things we've just learned in the previous video into work. Okay, we are coming to do some simple tests with a 3D test, how to add some things to them. So without wasting time, let's just go straight into work. This video is going to be short, and after that you do your project work and send it. Please remember to do all your project work. We will be very happy about that, okay, because these are the things that will build you up. So let's just do some simple work here. So let's just pick anything here. So you can click on this and then it will open. So let's use any name to do our 3D test. So let me use Ghana. Okay, Ghana. So that's it. So this is Ghana. So I want it to be big, so I'm just stretching it small. So all you have to do for this is what? Go to your 3D test. You can select any here, you see, but I will advise you to go to default and then write your test Ghana. Okay, I want to use a simple this thing. Let me see, what can I use? Okay, so let's use graphic. Okay, graphic design. So graphic design. So this is our test. So graphic design. So you can just make it a little big or how you want it to be. So I will advise you click here, okay, and go to edit. So edit, you can change it. So you already know these two. So let's go straight to 3D. Okay, 3D test. So you click on it, it will automatically change the test. Okay, so if it's change the test, you can either make it more depth or it should be slide. Okay, and as it is, we don't like this background for our test. Okay, so you click here and then you go to import. Okay, import. So we are coming to import a background for our test. So I've already downloaded some tests, okay, on my phone, some background. So let's just use in one of them here. So how you do this is you can just go online and search for 3D test backgrounds. There are a lot of them that you get for yourself. Remember, I told you I'll give you sites that you use for your works, so you can just go online and type that, you get them. Now if you can see, you see that our graphic design is now behind this. So what do? I show you something about the lab. Okay, so all you have to do is click on this one and move it down. So you see, now it is on top of it. If I want it to go back, I'll just select it and bring it down. Have you seen it? So I want this to come forward. So in other words, in case you put something that you supposed not to put before and it's now on the other one, you can just come here and then do that for it. So now we have our graphic design test. So the way it is, you can see it's not nice. So let's go back to our test. Sorry, so we undo this. Let's go back to, you click on this and click here, go back to our 3D test and then we go to rotate. Okay, so looking at it, you rotate it, so it should be in a way like this. Okay, so it should be in a way like this. So you can use this one to rotate the x-axis or use this one to rotate the y-axis. So this is, I like it like this, the way it is. So all I'm coming to do is the depth. I don't like the way it is. So I just want something like this. So you see this is the depth, so I'm just increasing and decreasing. So you can do it the way you want it to be. Okay, so the depth, I want something like this. It should even go small. Something like this. Okay, so I'm done with that one. Then you come to 3D shadow. Now the 3D shadow, what it does is it gives your work a shadow. You see there's an underline this thing over there, so let me select white so that you can see it very well. In case you don't need a shadow, don't use it. And in this one I don't need a shadow, so I'm not using a shadow. So the next thing I would like to do is the stroke. I told you stroke is very important. You see it has given your work a perfect look. So the stroke, you can select blue color, but because of the background we are using, I would like us to use the black so that the work can look professional. So you can count the stroke with how big you want the stroke to be. You see, so it is like that. But I'm just showing you something, so that's why I'm doing it like that. So let's do it like this. So our stroke 7 is okay. Yeah, so that's that. So this is stroke shadow. It gives you the shadow of the work. Guys, you see, so right now you see what we've just designed, graphic design on a background like this. So this is what they call the 3D design. Are you getting it? So this is the 3D design.